Welcome, my name is Marn, curator for AI Fun Park. I am here to bring you another in our series, FFmpeg, a video developer's best friend. Tony, our normal presenter, is taking a quick holiday and will be back soon. At AI Fun Park, we created Video Processing Lab and Landing Bay folders for FFmpeg processing. As you can see, we have a number of processing functions we use. We minimize using FFmpeg functions that re-encode video output files to prevent quality loss. We only parse once in pre-processing and post-processing, and only if really required. In today's example, we will use a 1920 by 1080 sized image with a 50 FPS frame rate, and reduce it to our standard comfy UI video generation dimensions of 1024 by 576. Then we'll use a copy of the same file to move to a 4K version 3840 by 2160. Here is the video clip we will use for the example. The key details to look at are in the metadata: the file dimensions, the file bitrate, the file volume or size. We'll run the code. The process occurs quite quickly. Now we'll look at the re-encoded file to view the quality. Okay, no real visible difference. Here is a view of the code we used in the FFmpeg batch file for changing aspect ratio. As mentioned, this is optimized for upload and use on YouTube. Look for lossless versions of this FFmpeg function in our video description. Okay, there's our first example. Here's our next example: the 4K aspect ratio change to the 1080p file. Our video example is of the fun park. See Byron's quick tour sneak peek in our showcase. We'll run the code. The key details to look at are in the metadata: the file dimensions, the file bitrate, the file volume or size. Our FFmpeg code is configured for publishing to YouTube, though we do keep high-definition raw masters for our master library. I'll be back with my favorite FFmpeg function, dlogo. In our next episode, get rid of those unwanted labels and watermarks using the FFmpeg plotter to define the coordinates, then execute the FFmpeg dlogo removal. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you find this function useful in your video creating activities. Please read the related information detailed in this video description for a deeper look at the function and code examples. Until next time, this is Marn. Be excellent to each other.